What is up, YouTube? I'm back, and yo, it's alright, yo, it's super late. I'm probably gonna try to do all this in one take, so if I edit this video a bunch, it is what it is. But personally, this was a sneaker that I was really excited about. It's probably a pair that I might cop again in the future. So we have here the Tokyo 1 BIOHACKS, and basically these are the sneakers that I was really excited about when they first came out. Once I got them in hand, it was just something that I was having a hard time wearing, and you know, I'd much rather have someone else have this for their collection than me just kind of hang on to it. So I actually just sold this sneaker today. It's going down to my friend in Texas. So shout out to you, bro. I really hope that you enjoy these. And so I'm gonna give you all a quick little review of this Tokyo 1 BIOHACK, at least while I still have it in hand. It's definitely a sneaker that I think is worthy of a review. It's something that I was meaning to do a review of probably a lot earlier, but it's just something that I didn't really get to. So let me talk about some stuff that this sneaker really reminds me of, and yeah, we'll move on from there. So first and foremost, what I like about this sneaker is I think that the midsole of the sneaker reminds me of wasabi. That was actually why I bought the sneaker. I liked how they had this like salmon colored inner. I liked the pink laces, and I also liked the blue toe, and I thought that the silver swoosh was a nice touch. So all in all, this is definitely a shoe that I can get behind. I really like loud sneakers, and I like really colorful colorways. I really try to keep it colorful with Timmy's Kicks type stuff. That's just the kind of stuff that I'm into. So this was naturally just a sneaker that I was really enjoying. For me, it's going to be a little bit hard to get rid of, because even though it wasn't a sneaker that I loved for my feet, it was still a sneaker that I really loved looking at every day in the collection, and it was definitely a sneaker that I always kept on display. Overall, I think that Nike really executed this sneaker design really well. Personally, to me, it's a sneaker that just really stands out as far as being something that's unique. Most of the sneakers in my collection, I would say, are loud or unique. So everybody collects sneakers for a different reason. I personally like those bright, super bold, super whacked out colorways. I'm kind of wacky myself, so this was definitely just one of the dopest releases of 2020. There's just some really interesting characteristics to the colorway, especially here on this like part of the upper. Oh my gosh, look at that. You got these like, first and foremost, I'm still getting better at my shoe terminology. So if I mess up, I want anybody out there to tell me what I messed up on, because I'm actually really just getting good at this year for the first time. So as I get further in these shoe reviews, I'm really gonna probably know what I'm talking about more later on, but as I'm diving into this, I really just gotta start somewhere. So I'm giving you the shoe reviews based off of where I'm at right now with understanding shoe culture and understanding the shoes themselves. So this is a pair of sneakers that, to me, this is actually a conversation starter. It's something that, it's already one of my favorite models. Jordan 1, classic high OG silhouette. Personally, this is just, I don't know, it's such a classic, iconic sneaker in the sneaker community, and the colorway is just such a unique colorway that I thought it was definitely something that I needed to bring on the channel before it was out of my hands completely. So that being said, I'm sorry I didn't bring this sneaker to the channel sooner. Please throw a thumbs up on the video. I really appreciate that. It helps the algorithm. I got a giveaway a few videos back, so make sure you check out those giveaways. And this has definitely been one of the best sneakers, I think, of 2020 in a lot of ways. It's a sneaker that, for me, it didn't really make my top 10, but it's still a sneaker that I think is definitely worth reviewing. Maybe in the future this will make a comeback and I'm gonna be really upset that I sold these, but for now it's definitely something that I kind of need to clear up some space, and so it's looking like they got to go to a new home. Shout out to my homie in Texas who actually purchased these sneakers from me. He got a really good deal on these, and personally, I like to build the business relationship. That's why I like to give away sneakers that I might be wearing in my free time. So actually, that's a really great lesson for the channel, is Sometimes the best thing that you can do is you can give someone a deal on a sneaker and you can build a business relationship in the process. Shout out to my homie Sean McCracken out in Indiana. And shout out to all my other homies out there. I'm definitely gonna make a shout out video one of these days. So yeah, I'm glad I got to bring these biohacks for you all. And peace.